Welcome, viewers, to a very special episode of Women Now. As you can see, we are dressed up, and you are lucky to have joined us today. You know why? Because we are going to show you things you've never seen before. You know that?
Mother's Day is coming up. My daughter's here.
Of course. And then we never find that outfit that mother and daughter can coordinate and wear, and it looks good.
Hey,
on
you
both.
shop a lot, don't you?
Oh, I do, but I've never found a mother and daughter coordinated dress. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk to some of the designers who are coming from India to put up a show around Mother's Day time from 5th of May to make moms buy for their kids and themselves, make it easier for them because we've always wondered that how do we do that?
So mothers and daughters both look gorgeous, right? That's the whole idea.
And designers all the way from India. We're going to talk to some of them and find out what inspires them to bring out the best of color and those little work, booties, gotas, and what is in, what is not.
It talks India, doesn't it?
Totally.
The colors, the designs, the intricacy, the craftsmanship.
Let's
It's
first
all
talk
that
to the
exalted.
person who is bringing this show here, right here in Silicon Valley at ICC. We're going to talk to Praveen Dhillon, who's one of the partners of Silk Threads. And she's put this fabulous outfits together for all of us and making it easy for us to shop.
The name also sounds very exotic. Can't
Silk
wait.
Thread.
Yeah, silk threads.
Praveen, I'm super excited to be talking to you here today with all these gorgeous, beautiful outfits, and of course, the ladies in it. I will be talking to you about each of these outfits, but before that, tell me what got you started to bringing Indian designers here in the US and making it easy for all of us to shop?
Great question, Ina. I was raised over here. I was born in America and have always been fascinated with Indian culture, whether it be music or food or dress, and nothing is more vibrant and exciting than Indian clothing. So a few years back, I started working with Nirbika, my partner for Silk Street Trading, and we just have decided that this would be such a great venue to have these one-day shopping extravaganzas for women, children, men, whoever it is to talk about, to just shop and enjoy India over here. And it's great because there's so many amazing up-and-coming designers. And as you can see, a lot of the clothes that we're wearing today are great items that you can wear to an American event, a non-Indian event, or an Indian event. You can mix them up with other things. And whatever you're wearing, you feel and look amazing.
So let's talk about Ranjani's outfit here. It's such a fusion outfit. She's got this dupatta which is wrapped around leggings.
Yeah. So she's wearing skinny jeans with a corset, and it's very royal looking, beautiful beadwork, and she's paired it off. You can see her belly, but she has a very elegant dupatta draped around her with very bold jewelry by Saloni. And a lot of the jade collection, it is meant to be mixed and matched and worn however you want to, so you can give it your own personality. And over here, she's definitely done that. She's given the outfit a great personality.
Let's talk about Smita's outfit. Oh my god, look at that. It's gorgeous. I love the color and the work on it. Just perfect. Not too much, not too less.
Absolutely. It's perfect to wear to Sangeet. It has a beautifully done dupatta, very sheer and very elegant, great for the evening or early day. And it's a bit more on the traditional side, but it's a beautiful piece.
Look at this gorgeous color. Oh my god, the pink and the black is so perfect. It's kind of like yours, but it's called upper, lower,
Absolutely.
upper, something like that, right?
Yes, exactly. It's all different lengths, the skirt, and this is, so mine's one big dress, and we're matching to some extent, but this is probably one of my favorite outfits, and it's just very unique. It looks like something you could just see couture at any big
Red
departments or over
carpet
here,
or-
red carpet,
yeah,
exactly,
totally.
Oscars.
Look at this gorgeous saris. Look at the design and the color combination. Oh my god, it's amazing.
The exciting thing about their designs is that it's also going, when you come on May 5th for the show, you'll see them there, and they have their prints on dresses, on silvar kameezes, on scarves, on ties. So they have the same prints, similar prints of her artwork that Surinder has designed on a variety of different mediums, and it's just beautiful. Really, really refreshing, great colors, and the saris are just really easy to wear and look beautiful.
And look at this beautiful color combination, red and blue. Who would have thought this would have made any combination?
Yes, I know. So Jade in this collection has done something very risque, but absolutely adorable and very, very cool on her.
Ishmit is wearing like a grand outfit. Oh my god, this is fabulous. Tell me about it. Who's the designer?
So this is Jade as well, and it's very royal. This is a very royal outfit for a very royal woman, and it's again many layers, and it goes, like you were saying earlier, it goes to the floor, which adds to the royal look of it, and it just feels very pretty to have something like this on. It's very princess-like, right? But at the same time, it's elegant and it's very sophisticated. And the gold brocade on top makes this also a very beautiful outfit to wear to a Sangeet or wear to a wedding.
Well, I would do it as a gown. Look at
Yeah,
the
you can do
whole
it as a
structure
gown.
of this. It flows on the bottom.
Yes.
And it's very hugging here. It's beautiful, gorgeous.
And it comes with a dupatta as well. You can choose to wear it or choose not to. And it's just great. Beautiful outfit. I love this. I think it's perfect for a graduation party. That's what it reminds me of. It's screaming out spring, summer. And it's a dress. It looks like a lehenga, but it's actually a dress. It's a long gown. And it has a lot of flair to it as well. It's very flattering and just great to look at. Also, again, you can wear it with a dupatta or you can choose not to. And if you turn around, it has like
Oh
a
my
very-
god, I love the
Yes,
back.
I
Look
know,
at
the
that.
back
Look at
is
the little.
fantastic. Yeah, a very fun outfit. And it's young. It can be worn by anyone.
Well, look at that. Is that a lehenga?
Yeah, that's actually a sari. And it has a full petticoat underneath it, which is it's like a lot of the skirts. It's flared a lot. And then it's a lehenga that has these pleats so that it's a sari that has a pleat so it looks like a lehenga. And it's stunning. It's such a great outfit by Jade.
I love the gold and the green on it.
Absolutely. It's so beautiful. It looks like a mermaid as well. Like it just has that very, very refreshing look to it.
The last outfit for today, oh my god, this is beautiful. She's also wearing a leggings underneath, right? And this is the fusion gown comes a lehenga.
Absolutely, yeah. So she's worn it a little differently with a longer top, and it's sheer, so she's worn leggings with it and not worn a chunni again. But it's a great look. Again, I think this would be great for a graduation party as well. And then with Lily, she did the hair and the makeup, so everyone looks so beautiful with this stuff on. The earrings that I have on are by Revati, and they're going to be fine jewelry, costume jewelry, silver, everything. There's going to be children's clothing, which we're going to be seeing in a little bit, and then there'll be artists are going to be there, and they'll be selling artwork. So anything that you can home decor, anything that you can think of that's Indian that we crave and we would love to see and have over here, we're going to have on May 5th. And
It's going to be a fun day for women, moms,
Absolutely.
daughters, and everyone together. And just grab the husband's wallet and you don't need them.
we'll have an awesome DJ, we'll have artwork, we'll have food, we'll have it all. It'll be a really fun day for the family. And I think if nothing else, it's just a really great way to spend some time and showing your children or just exploring what there is in India right now, what all the hottest trends are, the hippest clothes, and there'll be clothing in every price range. On May 5th, this show is going to be at in Milpitas at the ICC, and on May 11th, Newport Beach in Southern California, and May 12th on Mother's Day, there's going to be a huge show in Southern California as well.
Now we have these beautiful, gorgeous kids wearing all Indian outfits. My god, look at the color. It almost looks like Holi all over again.
Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous outfits. All of them are pure materials, so pure cotton or pure silk. And so for children, the material really, the fabric matters. And so they're all, nothing is synthetic over here. And the outfits are just so vibrant, like you said, and perfect. They're all going to be available on May 5th.
Now tell me, how do you feel wearing this? I mean, this is very light and this falls so well on you. How do you feel wearing this?
They make us feel really pretty because we get to wear Indian clothes and they're really nice.
Now, would you wear this to a party, like an American party?
Yeah, because you can show where you're from and it's really cool.
That's awesome. Look at you. Do you like wearing that?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
The fabric, how it's really light.
It feels light.
Yeah.
Awesome. What are you wearing? Kurti.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It feels nice.
Feels nice. Would you wear it to school?
Yeah.
Oh, good. What are you wearing, sweetie?
I don't know.
She's wearing a lehenga with a choli, and it has the little doris at the bottom, the balls, and it's just a really cute accent on
very
her.
pretty.
And the bottom is also really beautifully embroidered. And then
Now,
this
how
is
do you
great.
feel wearing this?
I like it because it's one of my favorite colors.
Is this the first time you're wearing an Indian outfit?
No.
So tell me what you like about it.
It's my favorite color.
So if it was a different color, you wouldn't wear it?
No, I do the volley for one of my sister's friends, and I wear other Indian clothes.
Tell me, sweetie, what do you like about your outfit?
I like the pink at the bottom.
Oh, how sweet. So do you know what this is called?
Lenga.
Yeah, you like wearing lehenga?
Mm-hmm.
So do you know which part of the world this comes from?
India.
Yes.
Very good. So over here, she has a really beautiful anarkali. It's perfect for weddings, I think, because of the work and the way it's done. So this is anarkali, and you can even see she has her little chudi on, which are very cute.
It's almost like an adult outfit just shrunk into a small size.
I know, and I love it because like so many of them have put big flowers in their hair or big headbands, and that's again the Indo-Western look to their outfits. It's making it more theirs.
Well, tell me how you feel in that outfit.
Pretty.
Do you wear it all the time? Can you wear it to school?
If there wasn't a uniform.
Okay.
Over here, she has really pretty pastel colors for the summer, and the dupattas for the kids are just so nice and light. They're wearable. They're not gonna take them off.
And it's almost
all
like
the
a
women
scarf.
Didn't have theirs on, but all the kids have theirs on.
Right. It's almost like a scarf.
It's like a scarf, yes. And then here we have one of our oldest. She's a junior in high school, and she can wear a lot of the outfits that the moms wore, the ones before. She could wear those, but this is a dress with one of the designers, and it's just perfect because she can wear it with a pajama, or she could wear it without the pajama and wear it as a dress. She could wear it either way, and then dupatta, she can wear it with or without the dupatta.
Now, what do you like about this outfit?
I really like this one. It's a little more casual than the other one, so I can like wear it during the day, like other times too. It's really cute. I love it.
Well, how often do you wear Indian clothes?
Pretty often. Wear it like over the weekends for like parties and stuff.
And where do you go shopping for them?
India, or I get them online.
Okay, so now you can come on 5th to shop with your mom and get all this and more.
Sounds good. Like
And stack it up.
I'll be there.
You're watching America's first South Asian TV talk show. Don't go away. Women Now will be right back.